Hey guys, welcome back to another 3D design tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be using our simple modeling skills to make our first project, a block tree. And now here are the steps we're going to be following to make this tree. And I'd highly encourage you guys to pause the video and try this on your own before you watch the rest of the video where I show you how to make the tree itself. Okay, so to start off, first we're gonna click on General to create a new file. And then once we have the default cube, I can just scale it down like this, and I can scale it up on the z-axis to make it look like the stem of a tree. And then I can shift A, add another cube, and I can bring this up, and I can scale it a little bit and move it. So I'm gonna add like 3 or 4 of these cubes so they make up for the main leafy part of the tree. So I'm just able to duplicate this cube instead of adding new cubes. So to do that, you can press Shift plus D on your keyboard, and this will duplicate the selected object, and I can just move it around. And now I'm also gonna increase or decrease the scale of these cubes just so I can add some variety to the scene. And let's duplicate it another time, something like this. And you can keep going further in to add more details to our tree, but I think this is enough. Okay, so now this is a challenge for you guys. So I want you guys to use the skills that you've learned in this video and the video before to make a tree, but instead of using cubes, you're going to use cones like this. And to add cones, you can just go to Shift A, Mesh, and you'll see an option for cone here. And you can try making that scene. And once you're done, you can just save your file by going to File, and you can press Save, or you can just press Control S on your keyboard as a shortcut. And then it'll bring up this menu where you type the name of the file here. And let's say I want to save it on my desktop. I can just click on desktop here, name it, and then click Save Blender File. And that's going to save it for you. So for our next project, we're going to be making a party monkey scene where we'll be learning new concepts such as colors, lighting, and how to render a scene. So stay tuned for our next video. And until then, see you guys.